Today I'm fishing with an inline spinner.
I'm throwing the 1/4 ounce MEPS 3 Aglia. A slow to steady medium retrieve until I get a bite and set the hook. Oh man, my fluorocarbon leader broke off.
Well, that sucks. Let's try a Kelly's Firetail.
A slow to steady medium retrieve until I get a bite and set the hook. Alright, it's a northern pike. 27 inches and 3 pounds. Cool. And look, it's got my inline spinner in its mouth. Let me just get that back. Alright bro, you're free to go. Catch you later.